Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Tokyo National Museum and Museum Shop, the best place for souvenir shopping. Located in the Honkan Main Building 1F and Toyokan 1F and Main Gate Plaza, the museum shop offers a variety of items that have been made based on objects and motifs in the museum's collection. Souvenirs on sale here include t-shirts, tote bags, mugs, stationery, bookmarks, ukiyo-e prints, postcards, fans, and other items. Traditional Japanese crafts by contemporary artists such as ceramics and lacquerware are also sold here, as well as a small section of English language publications about Japanese art. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Found on the National Museum's ground floor, this store carries a whopping 4,500 items at all times, from paraphernalia related to ongoing exhibitions to original products themed on works from the museum's permanent collection. You'll find bags, stationery, accessories, replicas of famed artworks, all superb souvenir options. The art book section is almost like a small library and stocks illustrated tomes recounting past exhibits alongside books published by the museum. It's easy to lose track of time and spend an entire day browsing here. On your way out, make sure to try one of the capsule toy vending machines that dish out quirky collectibles. We love the replicas of Haniwa terracotta figurines from ancient Japan. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Please do watch our other Ueno Japan series. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.